3 simple exercises with the help of elastic bands to tone your legs and burn fat. If you subscribed, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't lose any of my videos. Do you want to have toned legs without fat? Do this routine with me, and if you don't have elastic bands, this exercise will still be effective. Come on, cheer up because it won't take you more than 8 minutes. Also, if you combine this routine with my monthly calendar, you will see how you get incredible body results. You will see how simple it is. You just have to click on the words and it will take you directly to the videos you must make. Download your calendar now at funfit.com/workout. We look forward to welcoming you. Stand up because we get started. Here we go. This routine consists of 3 exercises. Each one we will do for 30 seconds and the entire routine we will complete in 3 sets. If you don't have elastic bands, you can still do this workout.
I just wanna help. You don't wanna waste your love.
Let's get started with this routine. Place the elastic band above the knees and we bring the leg backward and forward. Here we go.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest.
Come on, stretch your leg forward.
But I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both like.
Stretch the elastic band as much as you
So
can.
just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
3, 2, 1. Change leg. Here we go.
I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be
Come on, stretch the elastic band.
here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets.
Forward that leg.
Sounds so nice, mumble while you sleep.
A little more.
Low, hard to
3,
breathe.
2,
This I
1.
know.
Well done. Second exercise. Give 2 side steps on both sides. Let's get to it. 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Back straight. A little more. 3, 2, 1.
Come on over.
Okay, third exercise.
Could just call you up.
Put elastic band again at the height of the knees.
Yeah, are you?
Touch the feet and jump. Here we go.
You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the
Come on, go
next
down
door, the
and
girl
jump.
next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
Back straight.
You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
Come on, a little more.
You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door.
3, 2, 1.
You're the girl next
Well
door,
done.
yeah. Girl next door.
How are you? Great. Second set? Yes? Then let's get to it.
On fire, my mind is off.
First exercise. Place the elastic band above the knees
Hard to
and we bring the leg backward and forward. Here we go.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest.
Come on, stretch your leg forward.
But I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both like.
Stretch the elastic band as much as you
So just
can.
come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
3, 2, 1. Change leg. Here we go.
Baby, I can tell what time it is. The thing is, I don't really care. Cause I got no place to be
Come on, stretch the elastic band.
here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets.
Forward that leg.
Sound so nice, mumble while you sleep.
A little more.
Low, hard to
3, 2,
This I
1.
know.
Well done. Second exercise. Give 2 side steps on both sides. Let's get to it. 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love.
Back straight.
God, I'm sick of this waiting.
A little more.
Going crazy tonight. So why?
3, 2,
Why don't you come on over?
Okay, third exercise.
Could just call you up.
Put elastic band again at the height of the knees.
Yeah, are you?
Touch the feet and jump. Here we go.
You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl
Come on, go
next door.
down
The girl
and jump.
next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
Back straight.
You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
Come on, a little
You're
more.
the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door.
3, 2, 1.
You're the girl next door,
Well
yeah.
done.
Girl next door.
How are you? Third set? Yes, right? Then here we go. First exercise. Place the elastic band above the knees
To breathe.
and we bring the leg backward and forward. Here we go.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest.
Come on, stretch your leg forward.
But I guess it makes sense. Cause I know we both night.
Stretch the elastic band as much as you
Come
can.
back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
3, 2, 1. Change leg. Here we go.
I can tell what time it is. The thing is, I don't really care. Cause I got no place to be
Come on, stretch the elastic band.
here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets.
Forward that leg.
Sound so nice, mumble while you sleep.
A little more.
Low, hard to breathe.
3, 2,
This I
1.
know.
Well done. Second exercise. Give 2 side steps on both sides. Let's get to it. 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love.
Back straight.
God, I'm sick of this waiting.
A little more.
Going crazy tonight. So why?
3, 2,
Why don't
1.
you come on over?
Okay, third exercise.
Could just call you up.
Put elastic band again at the height of the knees.
Yeah, are you awake?
Touch the feet and jump. Here we go.
You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl.
Come on,
next
go
door.
down
The girl
and
next
jump.
door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door.
Back straight.
You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
Come on, a little more.
Girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
3, 2,
You're the
1.
girl next door,
Well
yeah.
done.
Girl next door.
Congratulations for having completed the entire routine with me. You will see that if you do this bit by bit, you will say beautiful legs.
Loving you, I just can't change my emotions.
Did you like the routine? Tell me below this video or on our Instagram account. Stanley and I are very interested in your opinion and would like to know what other videos you would like us to do.
Can't change my emotions.
Now keep working out with more exercises. If you liked this video, like it, share it in your WhatsApp or Facebook groups, and subscribe to my channel to receive more routines.